You getting tired of your layabout life? Is that Mother Nature calling you? You sick and tired of waking up with the feeling that there's something more out there to do? There's another way to be. We can all be free. Come along with me, we're running wild. Past the fences and cages. Wild. Past the end of the tracks. We ain't coming back, we're running wild.
The apples were delicious, there was no need for the dishes. Our heroes ate them from a witch's tree.
But those apples held a curse of a spell that was the worst. One should never step on witch's property.
And our heroes, they did slumber, for the witch she did a number. 'Cause her warning was a very strictly never. They were not to wake again, not no maybe if or when. 'Cause the witch's curse did make them sleep forever. Check it out, Ween! Oh, they're scared speechless.
The only thing scary about your made-up waffle is the mess the bunnies leave after hearing them.
Yeah, why you gotta scare all the smaller animals with your nonsense?
Nonsense? Oh, our stories are based on facts. We're not just amazing entertainers. Our performances contain serious warnings for all of the campers.
Of the very real, very dangerous, and very magical forest dwellers.
There ain't no such thing as a forest witch, so please, can you quit it with all this superstitious baloney?
Baloney? This book documents real magical phenomenon.
See, Boog? It's all right there, plain as day. Books don't lie.
Just ease up on the make-believe.
And work on your harmonies.
Something smells good, huh, Dinkelman? Yes, Dinkelman, I'll keep an eye out for the dreaded forest witch. I think we found it, pal. The perfect place to practice some mini hibernation techniques. Let's try for 12 hours. Right after this pre-nap nibble. Sweet dreams, Dinkelman. I'll see you in 12.
Boog? Hey, buddy. What you doing snoozing in the middle of the day? Boog?
Elliot, look! Apples!
Apple trees! Witches' apple trees! Boog must be under a witch's sleep spell.
What do we do?
I know. We find Boog and tell him. He'll know what to... Scratch that! I'm out of ideas!
Wait! I vaguely remember my first owner reading to me a bedtime story about a sleeping spell.
Well, what happened?
We must break the curse before sunrise, or the victim will sleep forever!
Forever?
Or was it turn into a zombie? Or a hideous swan baby, like in the Ugly Duckling?
Oh, those all sound horrible! Witch! We have to get Boog out of here. And then use your book of true tales to help us break the spell before he turns into a zombie swan. A swampy! We're gonna need some transportation. I think this is far enough. Let's see that book. Weenie!
What? I eat when I'm stressed. Let's see. Gingerbread house. 3 teeny piggies. Glass slipper, so impractical.
There! It looks like a smooch will wake him. Oh, why didn't Boog wake up?
Oh, no crown. Obviously, we are not royalty, but it was worth a try.
Was it? Oh, check this out. Now that's a wake-up spell if I ever saw one. This flower must be the first ingredient. Are we gonna find something like that?
There.
Can't be worse than the kisses. Are we almost there? Do you see the flower? Is this even the right mountain? Wait, are you even pushing?
To be honest, I did not understand the assignment. Look! There it is!
Where? What? That doesn't look very magical. Are you sure?
It's a flower on the top of a mountain. What more do you want?
Fine, I guess it'll have to do. What's next on the list, Weenie? A frog? Where are we supposed to find a frog up here? What's that noise? We're running out of time! This is a swamp, so where's the frogs?
Here, there, and up there.
Oh, finally, some good luck.
They just need one little froggy.
Get it.
Come here,
You better get...
You little brain. I'm gonna get this froggy. Come to Peppa.
Gotcha! I got one!
Wait, are you sure that's a frog? I think that's a toad.
Frog, toad, kangaroo, what does it matter? It hops and I caught it. No! Think fast! What does the book say we do next? It's missing! Weenie, did you eat that page? Weenie?
I couldn't help it. Old paper is so delicious. It melts on your mouth.
Well, what was on the page?
I can't remember.
Think, Weenie, think!
I think it was magic beans or coffee beans. Wait, coffee. It was really strong coffee.
Coffee! Of course! Coffee's one job is to wake you up!
And keep you regular.
There's coffee back at camp. We gotta go now! Ow!
I have the coffee. Dark roast, vanilla hazelnut, espresso. Which one do you want?
All of them! The stronger the better. Okay, what do we do next?
Simple. We put the pretend froggy in the pot.
Okie dokie. That's simple. Put the toad in the pot, which is very, very... hot! You do it!
You do it.
We save your life and you eat our flower? Rude!
Stop! I have an idea.
Frog, check. Flower, check. Quick, what's next?
Coffee.
Right, the last ingredient of the witch's recipe. Come on. Oh, ew. Why do people drink this? I know exactly why people drink this. Yeah!
Me too. I must poop.
Come on, Boog. You got the whole spell inside of you. Wakey, eggs and...
Wakey, eggs and wakey.
Come on already, buddy. We waited for this moment our entire lives.
The toad!
It only has two ways out, and Boog's tummy isn't one of them. Help me!
Boog! You're up! We were so...
Ah! Why am I here? What happened?
Magic happened, Boog! Magic!
Coffee and magic, and we saved you from the forest witch because...
You got cursed by forest witch!
You got cursed by forest witch!
No, you did not save me from a forest witch, okay?
Well, how else would you explain it, huh? Huh, Boog?
Elliot, he took a long nap on purpose.
Do you think Boog is correct? The forest witch is make-believe?
I don't know, Weens. I guess we'll never know.
My apples! Pesky forest critters! What you say, Mr. Pumpkin? Put a sleeping spell on the apples? What a wickedly